The conventional lantern has always been just a simple function with a simple design, but we have revolutionized the traditional with new functions and features. Introducing Go-Go Lantern, a newly developed lantern that redefines the purpose, function, and use of an outdoor lantern. It is portable with integrated solar panel and USB charging port, IP67 waterproof and built-in super efficient LED, giving a super bright illuminance. Most conventional outdoor lanterns uses disposable dry cell batteries, which is expensive and not environmental friendly. Go-Go Lantern utilizes a high-quality single crystal silicon solar panel with more than 20% efficiency, which can be fully charged under sunlight in 8 hours. Go-Go Lantern also can be charged using any USB port with its built-in rechargeable internal lithium battery. Full charging time of 4 to 5 hours allows a long usage time of 15 hours. With its IP67 rated waterproof features, Go-Go Lantern can submerge in water and thus be used for all outdoors in any rainy and wet conditions. With its integrated super efficient LED chips, Go-Go Lantern provides the illuminance you need for any environment. There is also a built-in magnetic base to mount it onto metal surfaces, providing a hands-free task light purposes. Go-Go Lantern is not just an outdoor lantern. It can also serve as a cool outdoor bucket. It can hold 11 pounds or 5 kilograms of weight of beverages and ice. With its unique waterproof features and super efficient LED lights, Go-Go Lantern is one unique centerpiece for any parties or gatherings. For storage, Go-Go Lantern features a foldable bucket shell, which allows you to bring an outdoor lantern and bucket without taking too much space in your limited backpack. It is also super lightweight, at only 300 grams. Go-Go Lanterns can also be a decor for your room. The bucket shell of Go-Go Lantern can be customized to suit your personality. Simply send us any of your pictures or logos to be printed onto the bucket shell. You can even doodle on the bucket shell with any regular pens and color markers, creating your very own Go-Go Lantern design. Go-Go Lantern makes a fantastic feature in any environment and a wonderful gift for anyone. Go-Go Lantern with its tough housing is highly durable, having survived many rigorous forms of testing. So why still choose any conventional lanterns? Go-Go Lantern is the ultimate new outdoor lantern. Your style, your light. Join our Go-Go Lantern community and have fun.